Mertz, and today we're making grilled cheese bacon roll-ups. Praise Jesus. Here's what you'll need. First up, we already have our bacon cooking. While the bacon finishes cooking, we're just gonna trim the edges off the bread because crust. And now we're just gonna flatten it with a rolling pin. Now we just toss a slice of cheese on each one and roll them up. Now we're gonna wrap each one in a strip of bacon. I've already got the butter melted, so now we're just gonna toss them in and wait until they're golden brown. It's as simple as that. I don't know about you, but these are making me hungry. For more red hot cooking, make sure you subscribe to Rated Red's YouTube channel. I'm Amanda Mertz.